It's yoga time. Cosmic Kids for little ones.
Oh, hello. I'm Jaime. I'm just doing yoga. This is horse pose. I wonder if you can do it too. You come up onto one knee like this, then bring your hands together at your heart and you grow your hands up nice and tall. Now, we rock forwards and backwards, going just like a horse. Now, horse pose is a clue about our adventure today. Shall we find out what it is? OK, let's sit down and cross our legs and we wiggle our magic fingers. Here we go. Magic fingers, magic fingers, magic fingers wiggle away. Oh, wow, look, we're on the farm. I wonder what we'll be doing on the farm today. Let's take our legs out long in front of us. Bring, 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 bring. Oh, that's the telephone. Let's answer it. Picking up our foot and holding it to our ear. Hello? Oh, hello, Farmer Susan. Yes, we're looking forward to coming to the farm today. Lots of baby animals, are there? Oh, lovely. OK, we'll be there in a minute. Bye. We put the phone down and bring, 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 bring. Oh, that's the other telephone. Let's answer that one now. Picking up our other foot and holding that to our ear. Hello? Oh, hi, Farmer Susan. We need to bring our boots. Yes, it's very muddy, isn't it? Yes, we understand. OK, will do. See you in a minute. Bye. We put that phone down and we head over to Macdonald's farmhouse. Coming up to stand, everyone, into our house pose. Taking our feet nice and wide and our hands up above our heads. Yay! Now, Farmer Susan lives in Old Macdonald's farmhouse because she is the great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-granddaughter of Old Macdonald himself. Yes. Now, do you remember there is a song about Old Macdonald's farm? I wonder if we should sing it now. And we could do yoga poses for the animals. Let's do cow pose for the cows. Coming onto our hands and knees to wiggle waggle our tails and do a nice big moo. Ready? Here we go. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, well done, everyone. That was wonderful singing. Now, the next animal we're going to meet on Old Macdonald's farm is a horse. So let's do our horse pose. Coming up onto one knee, hands together, we lift them up above our head and we go clip-clop, clip-clop, just like a horse. Are we ready? OK, here we go. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a clip-clop here and a clip-clop there. Here a clip, there a clop, everywhere a clip-clop. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Well done, everyone. Now, the last animals we're going to meet on Old Macdonald's farm are the chicks. So let's do our Cheepy chick pose. Coming up onto two knees, arms wide, we wrap our arms around ourselves, lifting and lowering our elbows, going cheep, 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 cheep. Are we ready? Here we go. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a cheep, cheep here and a cheep, cheep there. Here a cheep, there a cheep, everywhere a cheep, cheep. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, wow, that was wonderful, everyone. And look who's here. It's Farmer Susan. Coming up to stand, we take our arms wide and we wrap Farmer Susan up in a ginormous hello hug. Hello, Farmer Susan. Now, we need to pop on our boots so we're ready for that squelchy mud. So, try not to wobble as we lift up one foot, whoop, and we stretch our foot forwards to pop on our boot. Whoop, well done, that's one boot. Now, lifting up the other leg, whoop, try not to wobble as we stretch that leg forward now and whoop, our second boot. We put that foot down and we're ready for the squelchy mud. Let's head over to the pigsty. Coming to stand nice and tall, let's do a big squelchy step forwards. Here we go. Squelch. Ugh. And all the way back. And the other side. Squelch. Oh, it's so squelchy. And look, here at the pigsty, we find a very happy and large pig. Let's come into our pig pose. Up onto two knees, everyone, and making your hands into fists, like trotters. We come down onto our trotters and we go just like a pig. Now this pig is lying on her back with her legs to the side. Coming to lie on our backs, we take our arms wide and lift our legs up. Then we take our knees over one way and our head over to the other way. Now, snuggled up on her tummy are her babies, the piglets. Let's come into our snuggled up piglet pose. Coming onto our knees, we fold our body all the way forwards going oink, oink, oink. We check that all the piglets are okay and we leave them in peace. Now, next we check in on the chicken shed. Let's do our chicken shed pose. Taking your hands in front of you, we walk our knees back a little bit and tuck our toes. Then we press our hips up to the sky, making ourselves into a chicken shed shape. Yes. Inside, we find mother hen clucking. Let's do our mother hen chicken pose. Up onto our tippy toes. Oh, try not to wobble as we bring our hands to our hips, roll our shoulders back and cluck our wings, going quack, quack. Very good. Mother hen is sitting on lots of eggs. Let's do our egg pose. Sitting on our bottoms, we wrap our arms around our knees and we see if we can lift our toes off the ground in our little egg pose. Very good, everyone. Look, some of the eggs are starting to crack. The chicks are hatching. Let's come into our cheepy chick pose. Up onto our knees. We take our arms wide, we wrap them around ourselves and we go cheep, 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 cheep. Oh, welcome to the world, little chicks. Now, we've got a real treat in store. We're going for a ride on Farmer Susan's big red tractor. Let's do our tractor bumpy truck pose. Sitting with our legs out in front of us, we hold the steering wheel and we bump our knees going boom, 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 boom. Here we go. We're going over to one side. Boom, 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 boom. We're going over to the other side. Boom, 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 boom. We're going down the hill. Boom, 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 boom. We're going up the hill. Boom, 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 boom. We have come to a big barn which is full of newly born lambs. Now there are so many lambs that some of them need feeding with a bottle, just like babies. We're very helpful with this. So we pick up a lamb, holding our foot, cradling our lamb in our arms. Oh, little baby lamb. And we feed the baby lamb with a bottle. Oh, it's so cute. We pop that lamb down and we pick up another lamb, lifting up our other foot, cradling it in our arms. Oh, little baby lamb, I hope you enjoy your breakfast. Yummy! We pop that little lamb down and we head back to Farmer Susan's farmhouse for a well-deserved piece of cake. We cross our legs and we rub a hand on our tummies and we pat our heads at the same time. Very good and very delicious cake. Now let's see if we can swap sides, rubbing our other hand on our tummies and patting our heads at the same time. Delicious. After that, it's time for us to go. It's quite late, so we head home. And when we get back, it's very dark and quiet. So we tiptoe into our bedrooms, coming up to stand, everyone, and shh, 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 shh. We tiptoe into our bedrooms and lie ourselves down in our beds. Oh, how comfy is this? It's so nice here, lying on our beds. We take a moment just to let our bodies rest. And we think about our amazing day on the farm. It's quite hard work being a farmer, but it's lots of fun. Being outdoors, having a ride on the tractor, and meeting all of the baby animals. The thing we've really enjoyed today, though, is being helpful. It always feels good when we can be helpful. Slowly now we begin to wake up, wiggling our fingers, wiggling our toes, giving our knees a hug into our chests and rolling onto our sides. We press ourselves up to sit and we cross our legs. And we finish our yoga time with our secret yoga code word, which is Namaste. Ready? Bring your hands together at your heart. And after 3, we say it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Namaste. Wow, well done, everyone. You were amazing on the farm. I hope to see you again soon for more yoga time. Bye-bye.